Okay, you have seen the presentation tonight. You've heard all about this amazing business. You've heard testimonies about the lives that have been changed by It Works Global. And it's only the beginning. You don't even know the half. But we've been able to share so much of it with you tonight. And I hope it was enough to really get you thinking about, could this be your path? Could this be something for you? And I'm telling you guys, if I wouldn't have jumped in and given this a shot and seen what it was, I would have never known it was for me. I never in a million years thought I could be successful at something like this. I'd never done anything like this before. And we just made the Millionaires Club in 4 years in this business. So if you don't think you can do it, I didn't either. None of the people on the videos that you saw thought that they could either, and they did it. So what's going on right now? Why do you need to do this? You got all the facts. Now it's just a matter of looking into it, figuring out, do you think it might be a right fit for you? What I can promise you is that you're going to be seeing a whole lot more of me if you get involved with our team, because we are one team, one mission. No matter who you sign under, I'm going to be there to help and support you along the way. And I can't wait to meet you in person. I can tell you that right now is the best time to get in this business. We are in our biggest months. February, March, April, and May are the biggest months. It is the time where people have those tax returns coming back and they're looking for a good investment. They want to change their future. It's the time that they're a little bit more free with the money and they want to become customers and try an all natural good product. There's just so many amazing things here at It Works, and we haven't even begun to share all of them with you, but it's a start. So what I'm hoping is that you'll get back with whoever sent you to tonight's online business opportunity, and I hope you get started with us, because I know this will change your life if you let it. So thank you guys so much for coming. We will be having another one of these in a couple weeks, so we hope you will come back. We hope you'll bring guests, and we hope you're on board when you do it so that we can help you add new people to your team. So thank you so much. Can't wait to see what happens. I can't wait to help your goals and dreams come true, guys. So thank you.